ご乗車ありがとうございます。
What is up, guys? I'm in the toilet at Hilton and I'm in my Hummer. I'm not here for Disneyland. I'm actually here for an audition. Today is like the most nerve-wracking day of my life. I've never done an audition this big. There's a lot of people. Apparently this company actually works. I don't know if they work with or work for, but they're connected to Disney. So this audition may, I don't know, it's Disney Channel. Yeah, they're connected to that. Oh my god, I mean, me doing this, talking to the camera is fine, but acting, being someone else, I've never done that before, never acted in my life, but it'll be a great experience and I hope you guys enjoy it. Someone's coming. So as I was saying, audition for an agency, I guess, that works with Disney Channel. Yeah, please, I don't know, I just want the experience of it, so I kind of just applied. If it works well, great. If it doesn't, well, I got this. So yeah, basically I just want the experience. So yeah, today I'm auditioning. If I can film, I'll film. If I can't, well, I'll get back to you after the audition. So yeah. Oh god, acting. Oh my god, damn. And a lot of people's gonna see it. Oh my god, that's nerve-wracking right there. Let's just go, I guess. Oh my god, I'm so good. Finished with the audition. Could have gone better, but I guess it was alright. I don't know. They're gonna call us in like 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, again, it could have gone better, but I guess, yeah, it's just an experience. Was glad to have that experience. I got to meet him, which is great. He's from Zack and Cody, the butler. It was actually his company, I think. I wasn't really sure about what was going on. I think it was his company, and he does this kind of thing. It's like an agency, I think. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. But yeah, he finds talents, and yeah, he distribute them to the film industry, I guess, and they do training and all that. So yeah, I was auditioning for them, not Disney, not a movie, but for them, in order to like work with them and then like build up my skills for maybe like, you know, a movie or something like that. So it was that kind of company. It was fun. Got to meet him, so it was great. Came with my mom though, and yeah. So yeah, could have gone better, but there was a lot of talented people. I mean, I was surprised. I was surprised actually. There's a lot of talented people, like a lot. So that's basically my experience of an audition. What did you think of me?
Not natural.
It's not natural. It's not my first time acting. Not natural, but yeah, it was a great experience. Yeah, I guess that's it. Hopefully I can continue this because it was fun, nerve-wracking, but it was a great experience. Now we're in this shopping experience. How do you say it? ourselves some bakery, bread bakery, and now I think we're just going home. We're going home. Yeah, let's just go home. Okay, came back from the audition. Was really sleepy, so I kind of just fell asleep. And then now Ayako came. So yeah, Ayako came and picked me up. She's like there somewhere, I think. Still trying to wake up. Oh. It's dark. Damn, it's already dark. How long did I sleep? Let me check if it's still the same day. Still the same day? Damn. It's already dark. Whew. But yeah, I guess oh, that's dirty. That's dirty. But yeah, I guess we'll head to the road back to her place, and we'll pick up from there. Okay, looks like we did stop by IKEA, whatever you want to call it, the Sweden place. I don't know. I think we're gonna have dinner. They do have like a cafeteria thing, so we're gonna eat dinner here. And they're nice too. So we're gonna eat dinner here. We don't really have a house, so we're not gonna buy any furnitures. But I guess look around. I don't know. What are we gonna do, Ayako? Oh yeah, right, Ayako. Here you go. Welcome back from your job. Why are you mad?
I'm hungry.
Okay, she's hungry. Okay, let's go and eat first, and then furnitures. Yeah. What do you want?
Chicken.
Chicken. Good. Chicken.
That's fat. That's nasty.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at all this. Look at all this. Woo. I bet our one's gonna be that one. That is half. I bet our one is gonna be this one. I told you we don't need that much, guys. I ain't gonna eat that. You better eat that all. Listen to me. Okay, you got that? Our menu for today is rice, a big ass one. Ayako. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes with, oh my god, what do you call these? Meatball. And a big ass chicken with potato, but not mashed. we had that problem as well. These things, they're great, but they're noisy as hell. Let's eat. Finish eating. It was nice. She didn't finish her rice. Did you? You had like one scoop of it, and then that's it. The hell, man. Anyways, finish eating. It was so that chicken was too much. But yeah, now we're just walking down this bit here to get to the exit, and then we're going home because this place is closing in like in 10 minutes. So let's meet outside. Yo, focus. Okay, look. Okay, there's none here. There's none here at all. But then look. Okay, now don't focus on me. Focus. We got home. Okay. Look at that. It's like full of ice. That's ice. That's like full on ice. I mean, I feel like I'm walking on lake. Look at that. It's so cool. It's so cool. But calm down. We got back to Aiko's place, and then now we're going back to my place, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, we're going back to my place because her next work tomorrow is closer to my place. So we're gonna stay down at my place, and then she'll go off to work. And I got a surprise tomorrow. But yeah, I'll do that in the next video, tomorrow's video. Oh my god, man. Okay, so okay, calm down. But yeah, look, it's like, I mean, you basically can skate on here if the surface was more smoother, but yeah. So yeah, we're going home, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. There's no more. Not done yet. I'd just like to say thank you for watching today. You guys who watch my vlog, really appreciate it. You know, every day I see the views and the subscribe numbers are growing. So again, so humble even I'm just like, it's slow. Like 2-digit number of subscribers is not that much to some people, but it is a lot. 50, that's half 100. I've gone over 50 basically. So really humble, really thankful, even though it's a 2-digit number, but at least it's going somewhere, you know, going somewhere. So happy that it's going somewhere, and happy that you guys are enjoying it. It's blowing my mind that people are watching it. So thank you again. So for those of you guys those who hasn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that hit that like button if you like this video and my other videos, and me, I guess,
And me.
and her. So hit that like button if you like us video, the content, whatever it is. Just hit that like button. It'll mean a lot to me. And if you guys have just like stuff you want to see in Japan, like just basically just anything, like a toilet, you know, spraying someone's ass, comment down below, I'll make that happen. And yeah, just have a great day. Yeah, we're done. You wanna do it? Go, go, go.